Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial using a very unexpected product on my lid. Boom. This is the Anastasia blush kit. It's the gradient blush kit. I actually picked this up at my local Marshall's. It was 20 bucks. I was eyeing this blush kit when it first came out because of the colors. I mean, come on now. And I've never used colors like this on my cheeks. I just never thought to. I didn't swatch it or anything before I bought it. I didn't think that they were gonna be as pigmented as they are. So when I first attempted to use this color as a blush, it was all kinds of bad. And I played around with it a little bit more and I just really couldn't get it to look how I wanted it to look as a blush. So I thought, well, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put it on my eye. I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look, and that's what I did. I really fell in love with this color. I love colors like this. That's why I thought I'm just gonna put it all over my lid, and I could even mix it with some other colors that I have, but I just wanted to see what it would look like just all over my lid with a little bit of glitter. Always use glitter every chance that I get. This was a perfect opportunity to add a pop of glitter and really make the look. Like I said, this is the color that I fell in love with. This is the color that called my name. I really wanted to put this on my cheek because honestly, when I purchased this, I thought it was gonna be really sheer, and that's not the case. So, I mean, the good thing is they are very pigmented, and I'm not gonna let this palette go to waste. So this is the look that I came up with. So, I feel like I need to slow it down a little bit, just a little bit. So, you know what I'm gonna say. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. If you are interested to see how I got this look using the Anastasia Gradient Blush Kit, stay tuned. I got 50% on my camera, so let's hope it lasts. All right, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. This one is the hydrating primer. I have the oil-free primer as well, but because my skin is feeling a little bit dry, I'm going to use this one. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. For today's foundation, I'm using the Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil-Free Foundation. This one is in the color Cashew Beige. It is a little bit dark for me right now, so I have been loving this LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the color White. So usually if the foundation is a little bit dark for me, then I will just add a few drops and my perfect color. For me, it's about saving as much money as I can just because I buy so much makeup. So if the foundation tends to get a little bit dark, because Mama has not been in the sun lately. I am white as can be. So yeah, just add a few drops of the white and boom, done. I already mixed it on my little makeshift palette here. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my face. This is definitely a good look. I'm just gonna blend it out. This is why I don't like using a sponge. All of the product gets right there. Radiant Creamy Concealer and Spot Conceal. You guys know I love this concealer for concealing these brown spots. I'm just gonna use my... I'm gonna take my Shape Tape and highlight under my eyes. I don't know why I felt like being extra, but I'm gonna be extra. to bake today just because I feel like it. So I'm just gonna spray some MAC Fix Plus on my beauty sponge. And then today I'm using the Benai. I'm just gonna set the rest of it with whatever I have left on my sponge. Let's do these bad boys. They are classic. Actually, I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. So when I did my eyebrow tutorial, I mentioned using this when I first started doing my eyebrows. And the other day I took a picture and I noticed that my eyebrows were, I don't know, I just noticed something different about them. So I actually wanted to try using this again. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but I'm gonna leave this powder on. So I will be right. Okay, I have to say that I actually like the way my eyebrows look. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm just going to put it all over my lid up to my crease. And I'm just using my Crown Fluffy brush. This one is the C511. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna put it all over my lid with the MAC 213 brush and just pack it all on there. And then I will blend it out after. I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush and I'm just going to blend out in my crease. I actually had to switch up my brush, so now I'm using my e.l.f. blending brush. I'm telling you, this brush, it's amazing. It's probably my best blending brush. At least I think so. Now that I have my eyes done, I'm just going to wipe everything away. I'm just going to take a little bit of that same color, this one, and I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line. Now what I'm going to do is take my blending brush and go right over it. Now I am going to take this Stila glitter and just put it on the inner corner of my lid, and then I will tap it out with my MAC 213 brush. I love this compared to loose glitter just because it's not messy. Let me finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back and we can. Okay guys, here's the final look, and honestly I'm very pleased with it. It's a really simple look. Sometimes if I feel like I'm kind of stuck in a rut, I will take these really vibrant colors and just put them all over my lid, and that's it. And then sometimes I add glitter, and that really makes a huge difference. So you don't necessarily need 5 different colors for this really extravagant look, you can get a really good look with just one color. You just have to play around with it just to see what works. And that is probably the biggest thing for me, is testing it out, seeing if it works, because I always do have an idea in my head, but then sometimes when I put it on, it doesn't really go exactly how I wanted it to. Just play around with it and see what works for you. Really hope that you guys liked today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.